Here's how to resolve the issue of NSFW content being. If you're trying to enable or disable NSFW content, but you notice that even when you go into the settings, the option is grayed out. I'll show you how to fix that and enable toggling between these two options. You can't use the Reddit app for this. You need to use a web browser, whether you're on an iPhone, Android device, or computer. Let's go to reddit.com. Log into your account. Once logged in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Preferences option. Click on that, and it will open another window with settings. Now you'll see that NSFW content is grayed out, and you can't enable or disable it. To fix this, scroll down, and you'll see the option I am over 18 years old and willing to view adult content. Enable it, and in the bottom left corner of the screen, click on Save Options. Now you can access NSFW content and toggle it onto high adult content or off to display it. After you do that, click Save again. Of course, if you return to the Reddit app, all these settings will be carried over to the app, provided you are logged in with the same account as on the web browser.